Hey everyone, this video explains a bit about both of us team structure and also what is really important for both of us. So to start with, both of us values remain in three core things. It's called 3Cs: compassion, communication, and competency. So compassion means putting yourself in the shoes of others, and then also respecting their experience. Communication means listening carefully and also talking crisply. Competency means stay on top of whatever field you are working on. Learn new things. Stay up to date. So the team structure starts with product owner team, which is very important team. A product owner team is the soldier of the army. So they make all the proper right decisions to take the company to the next level. Their key responsibilities are going to be defining the scope of the project, participating in the demo meetings and checking the product quality, innovating to come up with new scopes, planning for the project and deadlines, establishing revenue generations for the product, following up with analytics and business model. These are key responsibilities of the product owner. A product owner is a business owner. If you take a product, then the product owner takes 100% responsibility in making that specific product as a unicorn product. For this, utmost dedication and commitment is needed towards that product. A product owner should be on top of product knowledge in the market. They should understand where the market is going towards. What is the market trend? How to pivot the product they are working on for success without compensating on creating social impact. This is the responsibility of a product owner. The next very important team is business. A business team should never try and sell anything to anyone in both of us. A business team responsibility is to scout for people who are working towards social impact, who are social innovators, and never ever sell anything. Our only goal is to make friends, not to sell anything. We should identify people who work for real cause, because working for social impact is not a small task. The goal in front of us is huge. Injustice, racism, discrimination, men and women gender imbalance, poverty, unhealthy lifestyle, unsustainability cities, climate change, use and throw lifestyle. There are so many problems. So the problem in front of us to solve is huge. So we can only solve the problem by being friends with real people who fight for real cause. So identifying those real people is important. Arranging meetings with them and expressing our support on whatever they do is even more important. Then following that, if there is a willingness on doing things together, so then we create LOPs. Then we create contracts if needed, and writing articles to share what we learned, but also to showcase who are the best actors in the scene. That is the responsibility of business people. A business person should always be on top of all the business activities or strategies that are used by the industry. A business person, again, should never sell anything. Their only goal is to make friends. Project manager. A project manager is the key person in the company. The project manager will receive scope from product owner. It's project manager's responsibility to conduct sprint planning following the Scrum principle. A project manager should keep to their words on delivering for each demo in modular approach. The project manager should monitor and deliver quality. Quality is the key mantra for project manager. The project manager should know who to keep in the team and who not to keep in the team, based on their performance, communication, and ability to help project managers' life become easier. A project manager should be really good in making decisions and not to get panic and not to react in panic situation. A project manager should act as a sponge between the team and the product owner. A project manager should be fun, should be enjoyable to work with, should be respectable, should also have very good communication ability. Next comes the task force. The task force, in case of both of us, is developers and designers. A task force needs to be self-managed and self-driven. They should manage themselves. This is not a team where a developer or designer will be questioned every now and then what you're doing, where you are. A developer and designer should manage themselves and keep to their words and deliver the quality. The task force should follow the process. They should have proper communication. When a task is not being achieved in a specific given time, they should have the ability to talk and explain why it's not being achieved. If a task force cannot deliver quality, then they should not be in both of us. Keeping to the deadline is really important without compensating on the quality. If there is a situation where deadline or quality comes in, a task force should always choose quality than deadline. A task force should be proactive, should see things in advance. Whenever a task force delivers something, it will be always checked by the project managers before showcasing it to the product owners. Public relationships and marketing. A PR and marketing person responsibility is that they need to understand they are the face of the company and products. They should plan and advise for social media campaigns. Their goal is to generate revenue for the products using their PR methodologies. They should always be on top of analytics and where the product is performing. So everyone in both of us will be measured against their commitment towards the company. Both of us will surely love anyone who is committed 100% towards the company. It's not just a place where salaries will be paid and work gets done. That is not both of us. Both of us is a family. Both of us is a unit which has core values. The involvement in the company and the product should be 100%. This starts with acknowledging Slack messages, following social medias, listening, reading all the articles written by both of us, discussing, having conversations on the articles, discussing on the plans which the company takes. It's a democratic process. For this to happen, commitment from each individual is really important. Unfortunately, going forward, if the commitment is really less from a specific person, both of us might not be able to continue with them. In both of us, it's always important to stay self-motivated. Any person in both of us should be inspiring, should always be able to empower people around them, not only in the company, but also in their lifestyle. Not wasting food, not using plastic things, are few examples. It's lifestyle. And also making sure that you as a person naturally is not annoying someone else. Learning from mistake. Everyone makes mistake, but learning from mistake is one of the key things in both of us. A mistake can be done once or twice, but not more than that. That needs learning from mistake. Anyone who is too serious is not really recommended to be part of both of us. If you want to be part of both of us, fun-loving and respect others is really, really important. Everyone should have a very huge part of common sense be applied in the everyday life in both of us. Respect is the key element in both of us. Being respected and giving respect to others is key. Compassion for the team, irrespective of where they work from, which nationality they are, is really ultimate in both of us. Any form of discrimination or any bias towards people is not accepted in both of us. Immediate and strict actions will be taken against it. Women and men are equal in both of us. Both of us primarily appreciates competency, but it's not evaluated based on a person's competency. We purely evaluate a person based on their good attitude. If a person has wrong attitude and with good competency, they will not be part of both of us. They will be removed. Both of us really appreciates getting things done, not just showing things in progress. Participating, as I said earlier, is key to both of us. Talking, following, taking actions. Any form of verbal and non-verbal communication should showcase love. There is a very huge demand on respect and love in communication. No passive aggression on text messages or chat is appreciated in both of us. It's always important to read from the failure and never, ever, ever repeat the same failure one more